What is up, guys? And today I'm going to be checking out the newest, Jesus, why did I say that? But the newest construction site update, and they added a chainsaw and some other crazy stuff. So let's get to it and let's check this thing out. So first, we're gonna start with suburbs biome and work our way through. So first new item we have is actually the new zone copier, which I'm gonna grab. And it looks like this. Kinda cool. And after I buy all this stuff, we're gonna go ahead and test all it out. So yeah. I have a research facility, and I can't buy everything in here because I'm kind of broke, as you can see. But I am gonna at least buy a few wiring blocks for y'all. But yeah, that's all I can buy in here before I go broke. But we're gonna go to Outpost, as I was saying, to get our final item, which is the new chainsaw. So let's go ahead and buy this. Oh my gosh, bro, this is so cool. If you crank it, it's mainly for creative mode, but I'm just gonna use it in here for a sec because it looks cool. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and head over to. Okay, now that we're in Wilds, we're gonna test out these new gadgets, and the first one we have is the new chainsaw, which is actually meant for creative mode, and aka the griefer's best friend. So how it works is you gotta pull this choke until it turns on. It'll make this little animation, and then you can hit things with it that are creative mode blocks to help clean up faster. And you see why I called it griefer's best friend. I really hope this isn't gonna be wild, it's just griefing everybody. Okay, next item we have, or block actually this time, is the brand new zone copier. So how this block works is basically, I gotta demonstrate here. So imagine you have a build you built in your friend's community world because you didn't have enough space in your own. Like, oh my gosh, I made a whole frickin' working something, I don't care. But look, so you just go to the zone copier, grab the corner like so, and you just expand the zone all the way up to cover your whole creation, so you can kind of lift it over. So I'm gonna have to right here stand up a little bit more, and once you've done that, you can just let go and it'll snap into place, and then you just walk back over, click copy, and you copy a zone. So now you're probably wondering, how do I paste the zone? Well, as you can see, you can just go over here and click paste. Now it's going to show you a preview, like where the blocks actually are, and then if you click yes, it pastes them in. Now a different story is if you want to clear a zone, you're gonna take your zone box selector grabber thing, is what I call it, but you're gonna put it over all the stuff you want to delete and hold down clear, and you're just gonna click clear, and it's cleared the zone. And you can also do this with your other zones. Again, you gotta just drag up here. Oh my goodness, I'm actually short. But seriously, you just gotta go like that. Clear. And there you go, you've cleared your zone. I would show y'all the new wiring blocks, but I actually don't own them because I'm kinda sorta actually broke. But there's one more thing we need to do, so let's go. Okay, so guys, the last thing is, now you're probably like, okay, wow, you're in construction zone in the code tag. Well, actually, it's now a official map. It's past Prop Town and Red versus Blue, and now it's an actual official map. So yeah, that's pretty cool. One more thing before I go, on screen you'll see there's like arrows past this wiring block. It shows you like where the inputs and outputs are. It's pretty cool, but that's one thing I forgot to show you. But I see y'all, and thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.